English, ladies and gentlemen, is an amazing, wonderful, and a language easy to learn on one side and the modern source of both earning and learning on the other. If you are a fluent speaker, more doors are opened and new horizons can be seen no matter where you are or who you are or what you're doing. And if you are a professional, the mastery over English language enables you to grow in both career and personality. And I, Hassan Akhtar Nisar, a subject specialist English by profession and a language expert, can make you better, fluent and appealing speaker. A speaker who leaves his audience wanting more. And I have actually 100 ways to teach you English language, but I would prefer to make you better by working on your sounds. Because being a language instructor, I understand that if your sounds are good, you are good. If your sounds are beautiful, you are beautiful. So, if you are interested, you can go visit my YouTube channel for free, or you can join my online language course for which I charge though. But the learning is guaranteed in both ways. And by the way, remember, I repeat, remember, if you want to keep your pace with the modern, faster world, you have to learn the lingua franca. You have no other choice. So find your tutor and start learning English right now. Your turn.